Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School, Muva. Myself Nimisha Mehta. Dear students, we have finished activity till 5 in our last lecture. Today we will learn activity 6 as per our textbook. Make up a quote about colors or another idea of your own and print it nicely on the banner below. Share your quote with your classmates. So, first we have to write down quote and print it nicely on this banner. So, here I mentioned the quote, people reveal their true colors in due time. From this quote, we learn that we have to reveal true colors in due time and that present time. So, बच्चे, I send this quote by PDF. So, we go our further topic, read the quotes of your classmates. Which new quote do you like best? But in this situation, we can't together with our classmate. So I write down here the quote by R.W. Emerson, brought by my classmate Sirin. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. Was the best among all. I liked it very much because it shows the omnipresence of the Almighty by God, whom we believe. Okay? Next, did you prefer your own or a classmate's quote? I prefer the quote brought by my friend. We always like our friends' things. Okay? So as per that, I prefer the quote brought by my friend Sirin because it conveys the message of supreme power in the world. Do you know who's supreme power? Power on the world? Almighty God. है ना? Okay. Those whom we believe. Okay, बच्चे. So I hope you understand this quote. Here they mention the new textbook uses many techniques for supporting teachers and parents in helping students to acquire English language proficiency. The materials are focused on encouraging students to notice and use language by different activities, craft, drawing, painting. Okay, बच्चे. So now we go as per our activity 7. We have read about paintings. One kind of art. Do you know? No? 7 types of art. We already studied and understood also. Poetry is also a kind of art. Writing skill. Do you know? No? Poem. Okay. Read the poem and notice the dialogue. The crayon box that talked. Do you know crayon box? Are you using no for drawing, for painting, for putting colors? Okay. While walking through a toy store the day before today, I overheard a crayon box. Do you know different crayon box? Look here. See that crayon box? The crayon box that talked. Here also I given one more picture. The crayon box that talked. We like to see the different colors. We are like a box of crayons. Each one of us is unique. From our whole class. Out of whole class 6 AB. Everyone is a unique. Keep in mind, बच्चे. Each one of us is unique in different way. And when we get together, our classmate is completed. है ना? Okay. Look here, different crayon box. They talked and they give different messages. Here they mention my crayon color book is Xavier. Fun activities for kids. The crayon box, printable activities and craft. Look here, so many images I mentioned. Here see crayons photos, different colors we like, crayon colors, so log dandelion. Look here in that box, different colors. Life is like a box of crayons. Boggy, do you know? Yes. Our body is a different crayon colors, images. Look here. Okay, बच्चे, I hope do you like these crayon boxes, different colors. Now we go as the crayon box that talked. I don't like red, said yellow, and green said nor do. And no one here likes orange, but no one knows quite why. We are a box of crayons that really doesn't get along, said Blue to all the others. Something here is wrong. Well, I bought that box of crayons and took it home with me and laid out all the colors so the crayons all could see. They watched me as I colored with red and blue and green and black and white and orange and every color in between. We put different colors in our picture and makes it gloomy. They watched as green became the grass and blue became the sky. As per that natural color, they mentioned grass, became green. Green became the grass and blue became the sky. The yellow sun was shining bright on white clouds drifting by, colors changing as they touched, becoming something new. They watched me as I colored. They watched till I was through. We already studied in our before activity as a different gypsum colors, rangoli, है ना? Now we study as per crayon box. Okay, बच्चे, I hope you understand this poem. In that poem, one day the poet was walking through a toy store and he overheard a crayon box talking. The colors in the box were talking. They were expressing their dislikes for one another. In our class also, many times we talking for each other. They themselves never knew the reason of their not getting along with each other. The poet brought home that box and laid out all the colors facing one another. They watched the poet using all of them for a picture. Green became the grass and blue became the sky. In poem they mention, no. The yellow a bright sun and white was used to paint clouds shifting by. The poet began to start off soon after the picture was completed. At that time, the colors realized that each of them was unique and no one was of less importance. All are important to themselves. Okay, बच्चे? So, each of one as unique of us. The picture could be completed with the use of all of them together. Each and every color we used, do you know, no, unique. The moral of the poem is, united we stand, divided we fall. We all together stand. No one fall us. No one divide us. Okay, बच्चे. So we go as per our that exercise is, what did the crayons say to each other at the beginning of the poem? I don't like red, said yellow. I don't like red, said yellow. And green said, nor do I. And no one here likes orange. But no one knows quite why. But no one knows quite why. Look here. है ना? This. Look here. That full. Okay, बच्चे. And no one here likes orange. We are a box of crayons that really doesn't get along, said blue to all the others. Look here, बच्चे. See, we are a box of crayons. We are a box of crayons that really doesn't get along, said blue all the others. Something here is wrong, said the blue to all the others. Something here is wrong because each one unique, all of us. Okay, बच्चे, I hope you understand this poem. And now we go as per that colors changing as they touched, becoming something new. They watched me as I colored. They watched till I was through. So here they given one more poem, and when I finally finished, I began to walk away, and as I did, the crayon box had something more to say. From different picture we say something. I do like red, said yellow, and green said so do I, and blue, you are terrific, so high up in the sky. All colors having their different importance. Red, yellow, green, blue. We are a box of crayons. Together in a box we get different colors, but box is a only one. Each one of us unique, but when we get together the picture is complete. Okay, बच्चे, I hope this poem, and from this poem we understand that united we stand, divided we fall. Keep in mind this quote and read 2-3 times this poem. Learn by heart, and always everyday work you finish on time by PDF. Okay, बच्चे, take care, stay home, stay safe.